Hey everyone, so in this tutorial I want to show you the service Wise. It was formerly known as TransferWise. They changed the name for some reason. I like TransferWise a little bit better because it's a service where you can transfer money worldwide into different currencies and do this with a very low fee compared to your local bank. And yeah, they kind of focused on that and made it very easy to transfer money from US dollar to euro, and they make it very cheap. So the total fees are just $6.40. And this is compared to your local bank, it's way cheaper. Yeah, that's kind of their value proposition here. They do a lot more. I will show you this in the first part of the video. And then the second part, I will show you how we actually transfer money via Wise to a different country. Before we start, really important, you find the link to Wise down in the description. It's actually a partner link. So they pay me a little commission that I do the videos here for them. I kind of like doing these. And explaining other people how to use software. If you want to help me to grow this channel a little bit more, I would be very grateful if you use my link. And when you click on it, you land on this page. Yeah, so without further ado, let's see what they have to offer in the first part. If you want to skip this part, you can just click on the timestamp and then jump to the second part where I explain how to transfer money. Yeah, this is the landing page here from them, and here they show your local currency where you want to send this from. Then they show you the different fees they have. So they have a fee for $1.80 depending on how you send them money. If you do it via wire transfer, for example, it's $4. With your debit card, it's $12. And of course, it's kind of expensive with your credit card because Visa and MasterCard or American Express, they also add on their fees, right? So here you can choose your favorite option, how you want to send them money. Credit card is a little bit faster, of course, than wire transfer because wire transfer, they still need to receive it on their end. Yeah, and then the good thing about Wise, which is kind of unique, they show you the guarantee exchange rate. So, and this is very close to the one you see on Google. So here they say 0.88. If we go to Google, dollar and euro, it's also 0.88. So they give you actually the same exchange rate, which is very great. Because when you use your local bank, they usually add a markup so that you get a pretty bad exchange rate and you pay a lot of money for transferring your money. And this is especially bad if you're sending quite a bit of money. The thing I like about Wise, they make it very transparent for you because you can compare prices to other services, and they even don't put themselves on the first spot. So they are very transparent. But yeah, here, for example, a normal bank like Chase, it's very much more expensive. You pay like 24 euros more. Or when you use PayPal, it's even more expensive, 42 euros. So it makes sense to use Wise in this case. And here you kind of see the benefit of Wise. It's just way cheaper to transfer money with Wise. Besides the money transfer, they also offer a couple of other services. For example, for 9 USD, you also get like a credit card with that. So let's say you are like a salesperson and you're abroad quite often, or a pilot. And then you can pay in over 200 countries and get the nice exchange rate, and you don't get the markups which you usually get when you pay with like your normal American Express card from your local bank. Yeah, these are the services. And of course, when you have your account, you can convert your currency in different currencies. Yeah, that's kind of the service. They do a great job of explaining it here. They also have like a business account. So when you have like suppliers in China for your Amazon products or something, then you can also use it to transfer the money to the Chinese bank account here and have it converted into Chinese yen here. And yes, just send the money, and it's way cheaper than PayPal. Yeah, so now let's go to the second part of the video where we'll show you how it actually works. This is the landing page. I really like it. So when you click on my link down in the description, you directly land here and you can have a look. But now let's go to the second part of the video where I actually show you how you could send the 1000 USD to, for example, to me in Europe and how this works. So let's click on Get Started. Here on the next screen, you can sign up. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple. And when you have your email, you can just log in. Once you've logged in, you land on this screen here, and the system kind of takes you through the process. It's quite easy. As said before, now you can choose like the method you want to send money to Wise. You can change that also at the very last step. We will get to that. But if you're now sure you want to wire transfer it, then click on wire transfer. And it also shows you how much you save and when the money is about to arrive at your recipient. Then you click next, and then the system asks you, like, do you want to send it to yourself? Maybe you have a bank account abroad, or you want to send it to someone else, your family, or like a business or charity. So let's say to someone else. And now you see like the bank details here. And then you can, for example, in Europe, you have the IBN number, and then you can enter it here. You can enter the full name of the account holder, the country, the city, and the address, and then click confirm. And then it's confirmed. Yeah, once you entered all the details, you just have to click on accept terms, and then you can confirm and continue. And on the last screen, it will ask you how you want to transfer the money. Wire transfer, we selected, but you can still change to debit card or credit card. But as you see, this is really expensive. So I stay with wire transfer here. And when I now hit continue to payment, then it will ask you for my local bank. Let's say Bank of America. I'm the account holder. And then it will ask me how I will do it. Online banking, telephone banking, or bank. I go to the bank. I say online banking. And now Wise is giving me the bank account number from them. So the account number and the account type. And then I transfer the money to Wise with this using this reference number. And once Wise is receiving the money from you, the 1,000 USD, then they will issue the transfer to the European bank account, which I just entered, to the recipient, and then it will go through. Yeah, you can click here like I do this right now, or I finish later, or you can even cancel the transfer and it will take you back to the dashboard. Yeah, this is how you do it with a bank account, with a wire transfer. And of course you can use credit card, and then you just enter your credit card number, and then it will directly get deducted from your account. This is of course a little bit faster, but as you've seen, more expensive. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Feel free to click on the link down in the description and use it and try it out yourself. You can actually save a lot of money with it when you do want to transfer money into different countries quite often.